Bobcat just fell out of that tree. It had a hold of an animal, a squirrel up the tree. Oh, he got it. Oh, he's limping though. He got the squirrel, but he's limping. He's hurt. It's okay, buddy. Take your food with you. You break a leg, huh? You hurt? Go on, take your food with you. I ain't messing with you. It's okay, buddy. I'm not messing with you. Take your food with you. It's okay, pretty cat. Look at me all crazy. You better take your squirrel and go. Go on. You're hurt, huh? What? It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's hurt. Fell out of the tree right now, getting a squirrel. Bobcat, you all right? Hey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna mess with you. You're hurt, huh? Relax. Get yourself feeling right. I'm not gonna chase you off. You're okay. Poor buddy. It's okay, buddy. Might as well eat while you're there. Kitty, what are you doing? Hey, Bobby, what are you doing? You okay? It's okay, pretty. It's okay, you relax as long as you need to. All right, good cat, feeling better, huh? Oh, look, he can't walk. Man, he's hurt. Ain't like he could go to the doctor. I feel so sorry for animals. No pain meds. No doctor. They just gotta deal with it. And dude just fell about, I don't know, 15 feet out of a tree. All right, we'll see you next time, buddy. Bye. Bye, kitty. Wagging his tail for me. Cool. Poor guy hurt himself bad. Had to lay down and take a breather.